What's up, you guys? Welcome back to WIDEBODY Nation. We are sitting in the 2021 Ram Rebel, fully loaded. It's got the 12.4-inch screen, but what the heck? Apple CarPlay is not working. My phone is plugged in. Apple CarPlay is enabled on my phone. Here, I'll even plug it in one more time. It's not showing up. It's not coming up, but we are gonna solve that for you guys today. Now, this works with any UCONNECT system. It's just gonna look slightly different since this is the newest UCONNECT, but I wanted to demonstrate it on the newest, latest, and greatest from Dodge on this kind of glary screen, but it is a nice screen. So if Apple CarPlay is not working for you, you know, everything else is working, but Apple CarPlay is not, you're gonna go to Apps, gonna go to Projection Manager. Now, if you can't see Projection Manager, and I'll show it up close for you guys, Projection Manager. If you cannot see Projection Manager, make sure you scroll left to right on your screen. Now, even if you're in a smaller screen, you still might have to scroll. Click on Projection Manager, and then enable projection. Boom. Should engage my CarPlay, and now we are good to go. The proof is in the pudding down here. Apple CarPlay icon is up right next to our nice new backup camera right there, but I digress. Now you can go to Apple CarPlay. You've got your CarPlay up top. You've got whatever you want down at the bottom because it is that 12-inch screen. You know, you got your climate, you can do media, you can do all types of stuff, phone, nav, all the good stuff. But appreciate you guys tuning in. I hope that solved your problem. If your Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, or Ram product is not working for you, then that may just well be it. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys hit that. It automatically enters you to win Apple AirPods Pro. We're giving those away at 5,000 subscribers. All you gotta do, hit that subscribe button, then those $250 headphones, you got a chance to win them. Sounds like a good deal to me. Appreciate you tuning in. Stay safe out there, and I will see you for the next video.